guys, good morning. This is Josh from Just Walk Away Garage. We're on a field trip up from southern Pennsylvania to almost Buffalo to go pick up a John Deere 855 tractor that I bought last week, but I just couldn't take both. So yeah, get it for about $2,000. You can do that. You just have to be willing to put your baby, dogs, your wife, everybody in the car and drive 12, 14 hours. So,
what you got to say, babe?
This old railroad station factory or whatever this is. Very cool. Man, that plant is rough. Oof. Little time capsule town.
So stinky.
Yeah.
I can't even get it going that fast.
We'll come back this way.
I can't even get them.
Yeah. Alright, so 242 has Buffalo. Told you.
Yes.
Might be more up there. Wow.
Let's see if I can get a better picture. I can get through the weeds.
See, I told you I wasn't a liar.
There's the buffalo.
Buffalo. Look, Leo, look at the buffalo. Buffalo.
I don't see that.
Look right, look right.
I don't see that.
So
The
many
buffaloes.
I don't see it.
They're on the hill.
I don't see it.
Okay. Well, then you don't have
Okay,
eyeballs.
don't look.
I'm still there. I don't look.
Okay.
We'll see him on the way back.
Yeah. Get him on the way back. Tatanka. We'll come walking.
It's either that or I can bring that tractor over here and we can just put the strap over the top of this ship all the way around.
Try that too. You get to come along, just in case that doesn't work. Can you hold it all goes back?
Let's see if we can push this back and straighten it back.
Okay. At least get it straight. If you steer out push, there you go. Yeah, go there. Okay. Just push it right. Yeah. Keep pushing. Yeah.
We're gonna have to come back. Turn the other way. Alright, well I will do it again now that you got the wheel turned to the right.
All right.
Hit the brake quick.
I got it.
You on it?
Yep. Cool. All right, come along.
Right to the
Yep. Hit the brake if you can. Perfect. Good.
What did we just get?
We just picked up a pretty nice 855. Let's get her out of coral. Yeah. Away we go. You got tires? We got tires.
We got
tractor.
it.
Where are we going?
So much.
Yes. Hey guys, we're back on the Josh from Just Walk Away Garage. This is what we went up to Buffalo to pick up. It was like 6 hours up, about 7.5 hours back. I don't know if you can see in the back on there. We had snow and ice going over the mountain just in the last 40 minutes of the trip, but we picked up an 855 John Deere 855 for about $2,000 bucks. It's all there. It is missing a battery. I just took it out. I got a new one from Walmart over in the Deere. It turns and turns and turns and turns. It doesn't start. It cranks, but it doesn't start. I'm going to probably just break down and go right for a compression test to see what we're playing with. There's a note on the inside of the hood here that the engine was remanned at 1,500 hours. It's got 1785 now, so I have a hard time believing the motor just went. I'm thinking more along the lines of fuel or heat. So I checked power to the intake heater, but I'm going to have them taken that apart. You have to look, so it doesn't have glow plugs. But yeah, let me goof around with it. I think we'll just go ahead and try compression, see what we got, and okay, we're back. I got the air filter off. Got new crappy Walmart battery in. We're just going to crank it over. I want to see if the intake heater works. So let's see that. Smoke and steam is coming out of it, so I would say it's working. Yeah, that's definitely working. All right, the light's off. Let's go. Alright, well, we're getting a phenomenal amount of smoke and steam, and yeah, she's trying. So we'll hold off on the compression test for now. But yeah, whatever mouse turd was in there, that's cooked. So heat, I gave it all the gas. I think we're just gonna bang on this thing for a while, guys, and blow up the new battery. All right, let's go heat again. All right, let's start lights going. Go. Let's try it. Let's try it. It's gonna go. All right, well, she's getting there. Ah! Stuff, so it don't break. I don't think we're doing a compression test, guys. I think we're just gonna crank on this thing, and my spider sense is saying fuel issue. So I gave it all the fuel now. All right, let's try again. All right, we start light. Let's go again. Close. I don't know. I'm gonna burn the starter up. Smoke coming everywhere. Let's look for starter. Let's check and see if I'm melting the starter. Warm. It's not boiling hot. Okay. Let's try the old school hand over the exhaust trick. All right. See if we can't get her pumping. let's bleed fuel. Let's start with fuel before we go to compression. Stop you guys here. Be careful. Are you stuck? All right, hang on. All right, definitely good fuel. All right. We'll try that injector next. Well, violence occurred, so got all the injectors out. Holy buckets. Completely clogged? Unbelievably clogged, but wet. Oh my God, clogged soot. So anyway, so I've disconnected the fuel pump. We'll see if it, hopefully it doesn't. Okay, cool, it's not blowing fuel. Let's see what happens. Probably gas is gonna go, or fuel's gonna go everywhere. Not scientific, but there's compression there. Let's clean the injectors off and probably order some injectors and come back and try again. I had hoped it was fuel. We're still going to go ahead and go with the compression test. I don't know if I've got the right tools to do it, so I'll bring you back in a second. All right, let's see what happens. Hopefully we can get spray. Yep, we're squirting now. Okay, we're going back in. Let me try compression one more time. The old finger in the hole. Not the world's greatest. The middle one's not good. Middle cylinder, not as good as the rest. Watch out, baby, it's all fuel. Don't know if you can tell, but way more smoky. Yeah, get out of it, Joe. Get out of it, Joe. All right, let's try again. Not going to do it with a dead cylinder. Okay, well, I think that's what we're going to call it for now. So, okay guys, I think that's what we're going to call it for this episode. I think we have a number 2, middle cylinder here, down. Cannot get my compression tester. My style does not fit these. But these injectors are definitely working. We saw them working. It's not the fuel shut off. It's getting hot air, so really down to engine stuff. So I don't think she's going to pop off. Man, she's trying. We'll try one more time for comic effect. But she's not going to do it. Not going to do it in the all right, before I burn the starter up. We'll come back. We'll see what's up. We'll try to get into this, do a little bit of engine diagnosis, and we'll make a whole other episode on that if I have to tear the engine apart. Thanks.